Hey y'all, so this is Arnell. Sorry for my voice. I'm currently sick, but we gonna push through. She is from Outre. She is from the Perfect Hairline series. She is a 13x6 lace wig in the color burgundy, 32 inches, a HD transparent lace, and you can wear her glueless. Right now, I am pushing that hairline back so I can get to plucking. This step is always optional, like I always tell y'all. If you do not feel like plucking this unit, you don't have to. There is a way that you can still finesse the hairline to look as natural as possible, as long as you have the right products, such as a good adhesive spray, also a good complexion product as well. So I'm going in and plucking the density out of the front of the wig. As y'all can see, she is coming together beautifully. Now the texture of this unit, she was not as silky as I thought she was. Looking at the stock card, I could definitely see that she had some texture to her. She was more so on the light yaki side. So I'm about to go in with my ruby kisses. I'm just trying to figure out where I want to place the lace. So my camera is going to end up dying, so I am going to be switching to my iPhone camera right now. I personally find that the lace scrunches up when you just put the lace on, put the wig on, and start spraying, and then put the band on. And then when you cut, it's like you're messing up the whole, like, you're messing up the install at this point because the lace isn't laying as flat and seamless. I love this burgundy color. It's so pretty. I definitely had PTSD from cutting my ear flaps just, as of recently, because in my last video, I cut some of the hair off of my unit. So I have been really mindful about that step. And it's crazy because I don't normally do that. I don't know what was going on that day. And then I'm just going to go in again with my adhesive spray to really seal in that, to really seal in the lace. So I'm switching right back to my camera because with Sony's, especially that type of Sony, the battery life gets exhausted so fast, and it's like, baby, I need to find another camera because you gonna irritate me. But she gives good quality. I love this camera, but the battery life is oh my god, it's terrible. I've been working on trying to get that new Osmo Pocket, that pocket camera, baby. All the content creators, all the who's who's, they got it, baby. I want it. So I have been, saving my little pennies. So the main focus of this video, I want to show you guys how this wig looked outside versus just being in a home and just doing an install in the bathroom in your beauty room with the, vanity lights. See how this wig kind of moved with me throughout the day. So this is my first time kind of really doing this on camera. So I hope you guys enjoy the feedback of how I feel about this unit while just out on the town.
Yes, we can. All right. Show you guys what she looks like outside. No filter, no lights. Get into her. I get into her for real, y'all. No special light. It's not even sunny outside. Y'all gonna copyright me. Got Tyler in the back. That already. Oh, I wish I had a hot comb. Because look at that. She already like fraying out. Ugh. This is 32 inches, y'all. So I like that she's not silky, because if she was silky, I think it would have been a really hot mess. But it feel like she got some light yak in her. Like she got a little texture to her, a little kink to her. This is what she's giving in gloomy weather. So I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. She does shed, and like I just showed y'all, she is fraying really bad. 32 inches. I definitely didn't need all of this, but she looked cute on the stock card. So I'm about to go see Mufasa, taking myself on a solo date. When I book tickets with AMC's, I don't be always seeing that they got reclining seats, and baby, I'm spoiled. So I love that they got these dream loungers. I already ordered my food. Want to definitely romanticize my life outside of being a mother and being a content creator. This is new for me. I know it's gonna be new for y'all. What better way to talk to y'all on top of watching from the install in the home to actually like, okay, bitch, let me see what she does throughout the day, because I think you lying. I got you. So far, so good. This lace is perfect. Like, perfect. Go ahead and go and get my food. They said I gotta go pick it up at 3:05. It's 3 o'clock, so I'll talk to y'all later.